Hi everybody. Okay, so we're here today with Little Live Pets, and this is a surprise chick house. So inside of this egg is a baby chick, and we could get a golden chick. Oh my gosh! Or we could get a pink or purple or a little white one. Either way, we're so excited. So we're gonna open this up. Nikki, where'd you get this?
I got it from Toys R Us.
We got it at Toys R Us. And has this cute little house to play in. So excited, so excited. And there it is. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look. Oh, it's so nice. And we have our egg inside. And when we turn it around, we can lift this up and it comes down. Cool. I hear it. I hear it.
I hear it.
Hello. Oh my goodness.
Is it Cracky?
I hear it. Oh, listen, wait. Oh! That was so exciting!
I got Becky!
You got Becky!
Becky!
Hi! Let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Hi, little chick.
You want to come in here? You want to come in there?
Oh my goodness, so we got the cute little white chick, and it has a really cool design on its arm, and it's fuzzy like a real little baby chick. And when it, and its little legs go, and it chirps. Oh, it's so cute.
Can I?
Oh, look how cute. And it knows, oh no.
No.
It's so cute. And then we can take this out. And it can live in this area, so it has its little food, and we can close it up if we want to. And there is an off switch, so if you want to turn it off, you can. The other exciting thing is that if we want to, we can put the baby chick back in here, and we can close it up, and we can do it again. Let's do it again. Okay, so I just closed it up the way the directions said. We pushed him down in the egg, and you can hear. You hear him tapping on the egg?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! It's still so exciting every time it happens. I love it. You did a great job picking out this toy, Nikki. This is so fun.
No, wait. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Bye.
And give us a thumbs up and tell us if you have one of these really cute pets. Bye, everybody.
And
Thanks.
you must subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.
And thumbs up.
Thumbs up.